Hello everyone, welcome back to Creo Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop this part modeling in Creo Parametric software. First, open new Creo Parametric software. Just click on new. In this window, you have to choose part, then give the name here and remove this checkbox, then click on OK. The given part modeling having all dimensions are in millimeters. That's why I'm selecting MMNS part solid, then click on OK. Now the new part modeling window is open. In the left side, it's showing the different types of planes like right, top, front. Okay, once carefully observe the given model. In the front view, it gives the maximum faces or maximum edges. That's why I'm selecting this front. With the help of mouse left button, choose front and select sketch view. Here in the working space, it's showing isometric planes. Now convert these isometric planes to orthographic view. So to select sketch view. Now the isometric planes are converted to orthographic view. Okay, now you can construct this L shape face in this view with the help of line chain tool. With the help of mouse left button, choose line chain tool. Draw that L shape in the workspace. You can start from here. Draw the vertical line, then horizontal line, then vertical line, then horizontal line towards left side, then vertical line towards up side. You can stop here and close this loop. Now exit from this tool, just click mouse middle button twice. Now in the Creo Parametric software, it's showing the default dimensions. So these dimensions are called weak dimensions. Now you need to change that weak dimension to strong dimensions. So you can edit the dimensions. This bottom thickness is 12 mm. Just double click on this dimension, enter the value 12, enter. Then this value is 66 minus 12. 66 minus 12, enter. Then bottom uh, length is 66, enter. Next you can give the total height, this is 60, enter. Okay, after this you can also log those dimension. Just select each and every dimension and choose lock. Select lock, select lock, select lock. That means the dimensions are fixed. This dimension will not be changed in the future. Okay, then click on this OK option. Now choose extrude option. This model total width is 12 plus 8, 12 plus 18 plus 12. Here I am selecting extrude on both sides. Enter the value 12 plus 18 plus 12, enter. Then click on OK. Okay, after this L shape, you can apply the fillet to this vertical model. Okay, you can move the part modeling. Just hold shift button and press mouse middle button. This is the way to you can move the objects in the Creo Parametric software. Now apply the corner or fillet to these two edges. Select this edge, hold control button and select this edge also. And when you choose those edges, it's showing the different options. Among these I am selecting round option and enter the radius here. This radius is 21, enter. Then click on OK. After this, bottom base having chamfer edges. So we can apply the chamfer to these two edges. Select this edge and also select this edge. Just hold Control button, select this edge. Here, when you select those edges, it's showing the different options. So among these, I am selecting edge chamfer option. So this edge chamfer distance is 12 mm. You can enter here distance 12, enter. Then click on OK. Okay, after this you need to construct this triangular model. So here I'm selecting that is exactly middle plane, middle of this object. So that's why I'm selecting this plane, middle plane and choose extrude option. Now change this view. So click sketch view, draw that triangle shape here. Okay, before going to construct the triangle shape, I'm going to construct reference lines. So this, with the help of these references, you can draw one reference line here and also draw horizontal reference line here, then close this window. Now choose line chain, draw the triangle from, you can start from here, draw one vertical line, then draw the horizontal line at the end. Now close this one. Now click, now exit from the tool, just click mouse middle button. Now edit the dimension. This vertical length is 42. That length is 42. 4 2. Double click on this dimension. That is 42. Enter. Then click on OK. This triangular model width is thickness is 12 mm. So select this one. Choose the option extrude on both sides at the middle of that plane and enter the value 12 thickness. Then click on enter and click on OK. You can see it. Okay, this is the final model, part modeling. This is the way to construct any type of part modeling in easy way in Creo Parametric software. Go to the view, select standard orientation. You can see it. You can also turn up these options based upon our requirement. Okay, you can turn off planes. See it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.